Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you renting. Wave hello to the top. Nigga.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Before I get started, you already know, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you comment, tell me what you guys want to see. But I'm really trying to post more frequently, be consistent with my channel. So you're really about to start seeing me post videos back to back to back, because I'm just trying to stay, consistent on top of the game. I have a whole bunch of, ideas and stuff that I want to bring to my channel. So be on the lookout for all of that. And once I get to 200 subbies, I'm going to do a giveaway. I already know what I'm giving away and everything. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you share and, tell people to subscribe to my channel so you can enter that giveaway. Today's video is going to be how to start a YouTube channel and the tips and tricks that I have and what has worked for me when I started my YouTube channel. When I tell people that I do YouTube, I always get the response of, I always want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know how, or I always want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't have, all of the equipment and stuff that I would need for a YouTube channel. So I'm going to let you guys know everything, it takes to be a YouTuber, even if you're a new YouTuber. So let's get into this video. Some of these tips and tricks, if you have seen other people's YouTube videos, you would have already heard some of these tips and tricks. It is going to seem a little bit repetitive, but these tricks really do work, and it may seem small now, but once you actually get into YouTube, you will realize how big these things are and how important and imperative these things are for your channel. The first thing that I would say when it comes to starting a YouTube channel is just do it. A lot of people begin to second guess themselves and psych themselves out on starting a YouTube channel. It just has to be one of those things where you just do it. You have to sit, record, and post. No second thought, nothing else, just post. Because you're going to continue to psych yourself out, and it's going to have that thought in the back of your head of, what if, or I want to do this, So, one, just do it. The second thing I would say is you do not need a whole bunch of fancy equipment to start off with YouTube. Starting off, you can use your iPhone, your smartphone. If you have an iPad, you can use that. And you can record and edit from your phone. So you can record on your camera, on your iPhone, and edit using the iMovie app that already comes installed on your phone. So it's free. You don't have to pay for anything to record and edit. It is basic editing, but you'll kind of get the hang of editing, so you're not going to buy something that is really, really expensive and you don't know how to use it. So using iMovie will get you ready to have a bigger editing software. Filming off of your phone, you would have to film in the daylight, because you would have to find that perfect lighting in front of a window that brings in sunlight. When you find that perfect light and when you're taking a selfie and you're like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect light. You're finding that light, but you can't film when it's dark. You have to always have that sunlight so people can actually see, your videos. The third thing that I would say to start a YouTube channel is you need to have the right intentions when you're starting a YouTube channel. Some people start a YouTube channel thinking that they're going to get paid right then and there, when that's not how it works. You're not going to get free hair from posting one video. People are not going to send you free makeup because you're starting a YouTube channel. So you need to have the right intentions and actually enjoy doing YouTube, so it doesn't seem like a job and you would want to post. 4, I would say be patient. Some people do, but a lot of people do not go viral within their first video. It took me, in order to get about 17,000 views on one video, it took me maybe 20 videos before that. So you're not going to go viral on your first video. You're not going to get 1 million subscribers from your first video, from your first post. So be patient. Your channel, everybody's channel grows at a different pace. So your channel may grow faster than mine did, or your channel may take some more time to grow. But just be patient, because if you continue to post, it'll happen for you. And that brings me to my next thing, which would be consistent. You have to be consistent in your YouTube posts. One of my favorite YouTubers of all time, my favorite YouTubers, Jilly. She has a YouTube channel. She has a big following because she has a big following from Instagram and things like that. She doesn't post very often, so people begin to forget about her. And she just posted a video today and it had been like months. Like, I don't think she had posted since December maybe, and people were like, dang, I forgot she was still here. So just be consistent, so people will continue to click on your channel. You will continue to be suggested for other viewers to come to your channel. So the more that you post, the more exposure you'll have, and the more people will come to your channel, and the more people will subscribe to you. Make sure you stay consistent, continue to post, and things like that, which will bring me to my next point, which is plan out your content. Plan what you want to post, how you want to post it. Like today, this video, you see that I'm going down step by step. I had to plan it out, because had I not planned it out, wrote it down, and thought about what I wanted to say in this video before I got started recording, it would have been all over the place. I would have been having different points, and basically you wouldn't be able to understand or put it all together what I was saying, because I would be all over the place. So basically planning out your idea of what you want to post and things like that can really help you in the long run, because it also helps you with editing, so you don't have to take clips from here, put it there, take a clip from there, put it there, because you already have all of your thoughts together. So plan out your content. Number 7, I would say, be yourself. When you come into your channel, it's best to be yourself. Don't try to be anyone else. Don't try to be like Aaliyah J. Don't try to be like Malibu Dollface. Don't try to be like your favorite YouTubers, because we know that it's not genuine. You know, viewers come and they know what's real and what's fake. It's been a lot of YouTubers that I've watched, and it just seems like they're doing too much, or they're not being themselves. They're trying to do too much for the camera, and it just comes off not genuine and fake, and I automatically click off. So when you come and you turn that camera on and you start recording, be yourself. And you can't, like, nobody can be you. So just be yourself and have fun with it, and people will enjoy you. The last thing I would say about starting a YouTube channel is not really a big thing, but I would say invest in your channel. Now, I said in the beginning that you do not have to start off with all this big material and big equipment in order to start a YouTube channel, and you don't. But once you continue to grow, and once you continue to get more into your YouTube channel, I do suggest that you invest in it. Find out what you need to better your channel, because at the end of the day, you just want your channel to be better, and you want your content to be better. So figure out what's good for you. Figure out what you need. Don't go overboard. Maybe you can buy some things one at a time. Like, I know for me, I asked for stuff for Christmas, so my mother got me a camera and a ring light for Christmas. And after that, the first thing that I bought with my own money was a tripod. So now I have the tripod to put my camera on, I have the stand and the ring light, and I have my camera. And the next things that I'm working on is to get a backdrop, and I also want to get a microphone. Yeah, those are the 2 things that I'm working on next. So invest in your channel. If it's something that you find out that you want to do, then invest in it. And that's basically the key things, which was, what was it, 8 things, key things into having a star channel, you know. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope that it had helped you into starting your YouTube channel if you're looking to start one, or if you're a new YouTuber and you're looking to grow your channel. I hope that this video really helped you or inspired you to do something great. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.